Berma Bediide.
Hey, my brother.
Since you married, I didn't see you again. Why?
It's true. My in is paining me. That is why you didn't see me.
You are in.
I'm in. Oh.
What do you cause for you are in?
I don't know. Maybe the water. I cough. My intestines paining me.
Hey! And I just wait for the cold water.
Yeah, that I think like that.
Yes.
So it's getting a while. I didn't go for fishing.
Okay. Fishing. Yes. That is a cold weather.
Yeah.
When you go to the lake and get the fish.
Oh, okay. That is my wife.
What you mean?
Me.
Is your wife?
Tell me who you
Hey! Berma, what you mean? Say.
So are you trying to tell me because of my wife, that is why my in is paining?
Yes! That's why you are in. It's pains for you. Yes! You are very, very loaded. Hard wine. Fat craft, you carried it. Hey!
You see, I said
don't mind.
Bediide,
Watch out for part 2.
the God will save your life. That's why the woman you carry the vote. Your vote and constituency, the area. You have cut the bottom. Hey! You know what I say? Hey!